Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be talking about a case of immature cataract with the nuclear sclerosis grade 3, approximately 3 to 4. Uh, so let's discuss each step one by one. So after making side ports, anterior capsule is stained with the help of trypan blue dye and it is washed with the help of BSS. You can also use air bubble before the dye. I directly inject the dye into the anterior chamber and it gets diluted. So the toxicity for endothelium is minimized. Now the capsular axis is initiated with the help of cystitome and I am using 26 gauge needle for the same purpose and I am using Sinski hook in my left hand to stabilize the globe. My aim is around 5 millimeter of capsular axis, and now the main port is made while keeping my Sins key in the left hand. And the next main step is to do hydrodissection and hydrodelineation. What I usually prefer is hydrodelineation followed by the hydrodissection. You can also do vice versa, that is hydrodissection followed by the hydrodelineation. So after hydrodissection, one equator of the uh, cataractus lens is raised. So what I will be using tilt and chop technique in this case. So I am keeping my small sharp tip chopper at the posterior pole and the uh, phaco probe at the anterior pole, and here I chop it in multiple pieces. Here the 1/4 piece of the nucleus is left and it is aspirated. Now only epinuclear sheet is remaining, which is aspirated with the help of phaco 3 mode. You don't need to give phaco energy at this step. This loose epinuclear sheet came only with the help of vacuum. Now I have aspirated all the epinucleus and cortex with the help of phaco probe itself. So only microfibers of the cortex is there in the periphery of the capsular bag. So I have decided to remove these microfibers later on after implanting the IOL. So the IOL implanting for this case is Johnson and Johnson iHands lens, which is a EDOF type of lens. So it is directly implanted into the bag, and the other haptic is also dialed into the bag. Now the visco removal is done with the help of bimanual irrigation and aspiration, and it should be removed from every quadrant. And microfibers are also aspirated, which was there in the peripheral part of the bag. So centration is done and the case is completed. So wound hydration is done, stromal hydration is done, both the main ports and both the side ports and the main port. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you so much.